Now look at this, this is very, very interesting. Here, the angles of these hair are very, very shallow. They're not acute, they're very, very shallow. So if we were to continue making the angles quite acute like we were higher up, we're going to simply cut through these. So what we do here is we angle our blade more shallow, and you very gently feel the tissue. And actually what we're going to do here is turn the speed down even more. So we'll go down to 20. There we are. Now we're down to 20%. Even without checking these, I know to attach. This one's just popped out itself. It's such a clean cut, and you can see the bulb there. And that's going to be taken automatically and put back into iced water. There we are. And this is the trick, I think, really, with FUE surgery. To take your time, be accurate, understand that everyone's scalp is different. There's so many variables, and you can never use the same technique on two people because there's just too many variables.